guys, I'm Kyle Bender. I'm with Scarlett Real Estate. This is our party. Got a lot of past clients, future clients. We're just having a great time. Just laid back, very casual. Exactly who we are.
Oh my God, this event is amazing. We're here at our client appreciation event here at Queen Park Social. We have so many of our amazing clients here today that, this party is for them. We are appreciating them today and saying like, thank you for trusting us and allowing us to serve you in your home buying and selling process.
We found the perfect house, and between Kyle, Jody, the whole gang, they made us feel truly right at home, and we couldn't be more fortunate or more happy for what we have. So, well done, Scarlett.
We had a ton of fun.